Good morning, children. How are you? See, now we are discussing lesson caring for our planet. Caring for our planet, and regarding that, we are discussing Nana grammar exercises. Caring of our planet or for our planet, our planet. Okay, in that we have already completed the choose the correct answers and a few of the missing letters. Now today the use of should and should not. The use of should be used to give advice. Give advice. When we are giving advice to anyone, suppose you should write it in CW. మీరు ఇది CWలో రాయాలి. ఓకే, యూ షుడ్ గో దేర్, నువ్వు అక్కడికి వెళ్తే బాగుంటుంది అని సజెషన్. యూ షుడ్ గో దేర్, యూ షుడ్ విజిట్ దాట్ టెంపుల్. ఓ సో ఇన్ సచ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ వీ విల్ యూజ్ షుడ్. And one more thing, when people talk about the right thing to do in the right situation, when people talk about, when people talk about right, about to do right thing in right situation, right thing in right situation. Okay, these are the two situations where we are using should and should not reverse. Okay, now there have been given us few of the blanks given to you. See page number 57. If you see page number, I am not writing those blanks on the board. They were very lengthy. See we should dash think about, or better to write the blanks on the board. The blanks with should and should not. Okay, the blanks with should and should not. Let us see first one they have given. We dash think about a Roman for 57 page. We dash think about how we can care, how we can care for our planet. We can care for our planet. Okay, this is first one. Second one, we dash throw things away if we can use them again. Okay, this is the second situation. The third question, the oceans are important to us. We dash keep them clean. Okay, third one. Fourth one, we dash animals. 5 blanks we will discuss now. Then we will go for the next one. People dash hunt animals. Now easily you can write Nana by observing the sentences. Easily you can write. We dash think about how we can care for our planet. We should think about. What we have to write Nana? Should. We should think about. Next, coming to the second blank, we dash throw things away. We should not. SHOULD. We should not throw things away. If we can, use them again. Next, the oceans are important to us. We should keep them clean. We should keep them clean. Next one, we dash throw rubbish into the sea. We should or should not? We should not throw rubbish into the sea. We should not throw rubbish into the sea. People should not hunt animals. Should not hunt animals. In this way, Nana, we have completed the exercise given on page number 57. Blanks related to should and should not. Few more given Nana, jumbled sentences. I will write it on the board. We just see Nana how to arrange the jumbled sentences. Okay. So it is clear. We should think about. We should not throw. The oceans are important to use to us. We should keep them clean. We should not throw rubbish into the sea. People should not hunt animals. Now, next our B Roman, what they have been given to you. Let us check once. Now let us check the B Roman. What they have given. See Nana, read the Roman heading. I am not writing heading on the board. Rearrange the words to give advice. Add a capital letter and a full stop. Jumbled they have given. We are not sure where the airport is. We are not sure where the airport is. Now they have given the jumbled words for the first one. B. Look at oblique U oblique a map oblique should. Now this is how they have given to you. Now how will you write Nana advice? How will you write advice Nana? See, you should look at the map or you should look at a map. Our answer should be in this way. You should look at a map. You should look at a map. Now let us discuss another one. Second one. What they have been given to you, Nana. This piece of music is too difficult for her to play. Now they have given she more practice often should. Now how we can join Nana these words? See Nana, answer. She should practice more often. She should practice. She should practice more often. Okay, coming to the third one, children. What is the third one? See Nana. Rahul is worried that he is not going to pass the English exam. Harder study he should. Jumbled they gave harder oblique study study oblique he oblique should. Okay. He should study harder. Answer mana? He should study harder. He should study harder. Okay, children. Next, Nana, they have given the fourth one. My room is very untidy and I can't find anything. Fourth one, they have given the jumbled one. Should your you room tidy. Now you should tidy your room. What is our answer? You should tidy your room. You should tidy. That means to keep clean, neat. Okay, tidy your room. Okay, children. In this way, I have completed the use of should and should not. Tomorrow, Nana, we will discuss about present continuous tense, where we have to the present continuous and what is the structure of the present continuous. Revise this exercise, children. Very, very important. Read the chapter, underline the hard words. Have a nice day, all of you.